Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm following on a little bit from last week with scraps of wood. This is another piece of yew, and I'm basically just going to make a little bowl, plate, platter, little tiny thing that I can store my that I just store my memory cards on when I'm editing in the house. So at the moment I'm just using the Easy Wood mid-size finisher there. As you can see, I have a little bit of tear out there, but that goes away as soon as I start getting this bottom a little bit more into a round shape, a little bit more uniform. There we go, let's get a bit of light on the situation. There we go, starting to get a little bit more into a natural shape now, and like I say, those glow force lights are absolutely amazing. I'll definitely be purchasing some more of those in the near future. There we go now, just shaping the tenon using the Easy Wood's mid-size rougher, and now with the detailer just to get that dovetail shape in there. Now sanding with Klingspor Abrasives. I'm not going to be applying Yorkshire on this. I like my fingers the way they are, thank you. So I'm just using Klingspor up to 400. Now flip that around and now start on the inside. I've got the lathe on full speed on this belt, which is around 1800 RPM. With something like this you do need the speed because you're cutting mainly air, especially on those wing edges. There, I'm just getting rid of some of that tear out on the end. And now to the favourite tool of mine, the Easy Wood mid-size #1 hollower with a CI5 cutter, and you can see those shavings, they're absolutely amazing. Just going back with the finisher now. And back to sanding, and again I did sand this from 120 up to 400 grit using Klingspor Abrasives. Again, I'm not using Yorkshire grit on this one, obvious reasons. Wiping it off there with some denatured alcohol or methylated spirits. You can just see there I was trying to show that it's picking up all of that little bits of sawdust. I am going to use my crystalline wax from Hampshire Sheen, and there we are, just going to buff it in with the drill. So again, another scrap piece, and hope you like it. Please leave a comment if you don't mind, and hit that thumbs up on your way out or on your way in, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later.